and hopefully we'll be able to get that motor put in and the parts at the house. Welcome back, Rusty Nut fans. Today we're going over to where the Cobalt is. I'm gonna try to drop the motor in today. It's a beautiful day outside. Should be able to get it put in, everything bolted up, and make sure everything's good. Probably won't be able to crank it today. We gotta do a few other little things to it before we're able to do that. But my goal today is to have it ready for plugs, oil, coolant, and be able to turn the key on it. Y'all stay tuned. All right, everyone, the motor is in. We got it mounted besides the back mount and the front mount. Somewhere along the lines for the past 2 years, we have lost the bolts to it, but I called the dealerships, got the dimensions, and I got some. So we'll be able to put the rear mount on and the front mount. The other things that we are missing is the coolant reservoir. It's got a coolant line that runs over here to the block, to this coolant bung right here. Other than that, supercharger's on, fuel rail's on, all the coolant hoses, the belt, the exhaust is hooked up. Last things we need are spark plugs, oil, coolant, and a hot battery, and we should be able to crank this puppy up. We're gonna do the last few minutes checks, and then should be able to crank it. Someone come look at this. This is the kind of luck that I've had with this car. Like, how does that happen? Just my luck. But we'll get it. Oh well. You want me to crank it? Yeah. heard something catch. Well, it's in neutral. Sorry. Is it smoking?
What's your RPM show?
1,000.
Put it back up to about 2,000
Yeah.
and hold it there for about 10 minutes. That'll help get the rings to seat.
I was wondering where that was. I knew it was somewhere. This is awesome. Awesome.
Definitely take that gas jug with you and that when you come back tomorrow. Get you 4 or 5 gallons of premium, some 93.
Yeah,
Just pour in on top of that.
I will. Hey, can I let the clutch out or should I hold it in? Because I think it spins.
Put it in first and let it roll out. Watch out, your rotors ain't on there tight.